That's one of the cows. Well, we got all sorts of merchants walking around here.
Can't remember the last time I had clean fingernails.
Just wanted to trade a few things.
Sure thing.
She's got nothing. Is there a merchant here? Hey, there's Trash Can Carla.
Did the Minutemen send
Oh
you?
no, that's a settler. But why are there so many pack animals around here? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. There's like, yeah, 5 of these things, 6 of these things walking around.
Farm's not much.
They must have heard about my settlement. Alright, enough horsing around.